What's up, everybody? So this Sunday, World Drum Club patrons, our percussion hang is all about spooky sounds. And I'm going to bring out a lot of my instruments, some things that you guys can actually get if you look. That I know it's last minute, but you know, better late than never. I'm going to be sharing all these spooky sounds with you guys so you can have fun playing or creating a soundtrack or just entertaining your friends. All right, I'll see you there. Go to patreon.com/Kalani, sign up and get the information and join us. Thanks for watching.